It's Wellness Wednesday, and today we're talking about weight loss.
We are, and Dr. Christopher Hart from Atlanta Bariatrics is joining us now. And Dr. Hart, Atlanta Bariatrics has been helping people around the metro area lose weight for years. But a lot has changed over the years, right?
Yes.
Especially now with a lot of new medications out on the market. How does someone know if medication might be the best route for them?
Well, it's not always so straightforward. You know, I've been practicing medicine for over 3 decades now, and I can tell you that this new group of medications is the best I've seen, and is very promising. A lot of patients are having very good results, but there are times when it might not be the right option. And so one of the nice things about Atlanta Bariatrics is that we have multiple options for patients, and we try and customize our treatment plan specific to each individual patient.
Yeah, I think that's an important point because everyone thinks, oh, is it just one pill for everyone? No, the customization is where it's at. So who can benefit from them the most? And maybe adversely, who should not be taking these drugs?
Well, I'll give you an example of someone it might not be a good idea to try the medication is probably the most common side effect we see is some people have heartburn or reflux or GERD, you might have heard.
Yep.
So those patients, if you have severe GERD, maybe these newer medicines aren't the best idea.
Okay.
And in those situations, there are actually some minimally invasive surgeries that will not only help you lose weight, but also effectively treat the reflux.
Wow. Now, Dr. Hart, you guys have a surgery center, so we've been talking a lot about medications, but talk more about that.
Sure. So for our patients where we think surgical weight loss would be a good option, we operate at 2 hospitals here in the metro Atlanta area, but one thing that sets us apart is that we also have our own freestanding outpatient surgery center. So in 2013, we opened, and we became the first in the country recognized as a comprehensive center of excellence in bariatric surgery. So it's quite common that we have patients who have surgery and they're back home the same day.
Oh, that's great. Oh my goodness. I would love for you to give us that big picture, right? Because it's not just medication, it's not just surgery. You'll have dietitians in-house, registered nurses as well. Speak to that experience for the patient.
Yeah, so, you know, we emphasize to all our patients when we first start that no treatment works in isolation. It's not just taking a pill, it's not just taking an injection, it's not just a surgery and you're done. To that end, we have a team approach. We have a lot of people in our practice that are there to help our patients along their weight loss journey. Registered dietitians to help with their nutrition. We're constantly looking at their nutritional levels. We have the bariatric coordinator that's helping them through particularly the beginning of their journey. We've got registered nurses that are always there as points of contact for when patients have questions, concerns, in between visits. There's always someone available for them.
Yeah. Well, certainly there are viewers that might be watching, maybe feeling a little discouraged, thinking, is this really for me? So when it comes to Atlanta Bariatrics, how are you guys doing it differently? When they walk through the door, what is that care going to be like for them?
I think one thing that really sets us apart is that we don't just have medical weight loss options or just surgical weight loss options. So we really do try to sit down, learn about the patients, learn about their goals, their particular history, and what is really going to be the most effective thing for them.
Yeah. Thank you, Dr. Hart. Weight management can be very difficult for so many people for so many different reasons. So we appreciate your time today.
Yes.
And everyone else, if you're interested in checking out Atlanta Bariatrics, just head over to atlantabariatrics.com.